The goal of all human endeavor, I think, is happiness. We are all striving in our own different ways to generate happiness. And our happiness also depends upon the environment that we create. So the Satyavrita, the concept in Ayurveda of ahar, vihar, vichar, and vyavhar is rightly embodied in this, that the food that we eat, the thoughts, the environment, the behavior that we make really influences our own well-being. And the first of them, of course, is ahar. That is the food that we eat. But the present situation is very, very worrying because not only the genetically modified food, but also pesticides, but also the other damaging effects which are there in the food ultimately affect us biosystems, and that influences in a very negative manner the entire human ecosystem and the entire biology. So agriculture is not just an occupation which employs a large number of people in India. I will just share some statistics which are though very well known. India has the largest arable lands in the world. Many would not know. Our arable land, the land on which agriculture can take place, is more than that in the US. The agriculture employs roughly half of India's labor force. It has something like 15 crore households and some 60 crore human beings which are directly dependent upon them. Even though the contribution of agriculture in our economy is low at 16%, which has been falling over time, but that is exactly besides really the problem, that having a large part of the land, which is the principal economic resource, employing a large part of our labor, the returns are very low. So I think the challenge, besides, of course, about gender, about child labor, I think the big challenge is how to make our agriculture productive, more productive, so that it is seen as an asset, and the push towards the cities and the practice of agriculture gets the immense pride that it has enjoyed traditionally in India.